Hi everyone, and welcome to week 10 of Writing 213. I hope you all had a beautiful sunny spring break. I got to spend the first part of the week skiing with my son and our best friends, and on Thursday and Friday I got all caught up with grading for your class. So unless it was something you turned in today, I should be all caught up with the grading. So if you think that you submitted something that I have not responded to yet, please check with me as soon as possible to make sure there's not some kind of a submission error. So we are in week 10 right now. In terms of media, you should be continuing to read for your paper. On top of that, I have included links to these APA style tutorials. If you are ready to start mastering some of the more nuanced parts of the APA style manual, you can follow along with these tutorials to pay more attention to different parts of the style guide. I also highly recommend just perusing the student sample papers and looking for details. The other part of this week's media includes this how-to guide to evaluating sources through the consortium library. So make sure when you're thinking about the resources that you're using for your paper that they are current, relevant, that they have authority, accuracy, and that they're representing a responsible point of view. If you're choosing a .com source, there should be a good reason behind it. You should not be turning just to Google to find your sources. You should be searching through the library webpage. So I would love to see a draft of your paper by the 22nd, which is Wednesday. If you submit a draft for my approval, I'll add you to a peer review group. You have to submit by Wednesday in order to qualify for the peer review and to receive credit for your draft. I will still talk to you about your draft if you want to meet me in my office hours or at a different time. I'm happy to answer those questions, but to receive points for the draft and to qualify for the peer review, I need it by Wednesday. It doesn't have to be a full draft. It's okay if you have sections where you say, this is what I'm going to accomplish in this paragraph. These are the sources that I'm using. Maybe some sections still have bullet points or you still have notes to yourself around certain areas. Maybe even comments or questions for your reader. That's okay in a draft. Later this week, starting on Wednesday, and I'll let this extend over the weekend, you'll engage in peer review. So it'll begin on Thursday and then end by Sunday. So I'll add you to a group once I approve your draft. And then remember, your research paper, Exploring a Problem in Your Field, will be due in week 11 on March 31st. I'll be in my regular office hours all week. If you can't make it but you want to talk to me, just send me an email or give me a call. I'll answer calls from students during the week, but I'm not taking calls on the weekend. I gotta protect some time for myself too. I hope everyone's doing well, and I look forward to reading your work soon.